So the next topic we're going to cover is the enhanced IO deletion and IO creation. So what we're going to do is we're going to come down and we are going to create a new Ethernet module. Today I have a 1769 compact logic AENTR remote IO chassis connected to my ControlLogix L85. So I'm going to create my new object. And here, this is going to be remote IO1, and we're just going to leave it as a private network, and we'll make it IP address 15. A couple of other things that I just want to highlight very quickly is we are going to leave the chassis size of 31, but you can adjust that chassis size, the connection, and then your electronic keying. I'm going to leave it just all the defaults for today, but I just wanted to quickly point that out. So we're going to click OK, and it's going to make my new module. At this point, it now understands that it's in a 1769 bus, and it automatically changes the filtering. What I want to do is we are going to add everything, or add a, close, and we're going to add a new module, and we are going to add a 16-point AC input. So this is going to be our digital input 1 card, and it's going to automatically assign that to slot 1 for me because that's the next available slot. If I wanted, I could move it because I'm in still development at this point, so I don't necessarily have to care. But I'm going to click OK. I wanted to do that so that you can see that as soon as I add this in our controller tags, it creates the tags required based on that module or that add-on profile. Once you're in the add-on profile, previously you would have to come out, delete all the code associated with this tag, delete the tag, delete this input module, then delete the parent module in order to get everything to delete. With version 32, you can now right-click on it and delete. It's going to give you a prompt letting you know that you are going to delete one sub-item, and in which it will delete everything associated with that sub-item. So we can click yes, and you can see that it deletes the tags and everything for you. In versions prior to 32, you would, again, have to go through and do all that. At this point, if you had code reference to that, when you did a compile, it will then notify you that you have code still referencing something that was deleted. So you can use your error checker to tell you exactly where the code is so that you don't have to know and dig for it all the time. But for today, I actually do have some more IO, so I'm going to import a module. I had already exported this just so I can make it easier, and I'm sorry, we're going to do our remote IO. So I'm going to open this, and what it's going to do is it's going to import, and it's going to import the children modules that I have associated with my setup and create the tags for me. So we'll do a quick import here, and there, voila. So I actually have the IO that I'm connected to in my project tree, and we are ready to go.